Hello everyone, Sovereign Jared Kwan, and today we're looking at a display of Magnificent Mavens. Now, I do have sleeves from these. I got this one, and I believe I now have all different ones. I'll have to double check, but I believe, yep, I do have all different ones. As this was the last one needed to have the full collection. I will not be keeping these. Eventually, probably do a giveaway at some point. So keep your eyes open for that. For now, let's get started. Really awesome. Destiny Hill by Blast, Doom Dozer, Sky Striker Ace, Kagori. Let's see. Cyber Rev System, Mudora, Sword Soul Blackout, Witchcraft Haine, and Sky Striker Ace, Kagori. Let's see. Draconecro, Striker Hemp, Onibimaru, Hajun, and Secret Village of the Spellcasters. Nice pack of box one. Sword Soul Moye. If you hear my cat, he wants attention because he cannot stand when I'm talking to someone else other than him. Triple Tactics Talent, Kelbeck, Light Imprisoning Mirror, Witchcrafter, Haine, and Sky Striker Kagari. Pack's upside down. Alright, let's see. Millennium Eyes Restrict, Keldo, Onibimaru, Sword Soul of Wong Yuan, and Daoki the Graceful Mayakashi. Let's see. Ooh, Galaxy Eyes Afterglow Dragon, Aileron, Therian Dukyul, Kijing Long Yuan, and Sword Soul of Taya. Last pack of box 2. Let's see. Change of Heart, wonderful. Surgical Striker Hamp, Bururu, Dark Soul Token, Elder Entity Intis. Skill Drain, Sky Striker Mobilize, Predaplant. Hang on. Okay, I'm not even going to attempt to butcher that. And Chengying. Soldier of Chaos, Keldo, Bururu, Mizuki, and Auspice Chunjin. That's Skill Drain again. Witchcrafter, Doom Dozer, G-Golem Token, Mayakashi Return. Infinite Permanence, Kelbeck, Sword Soul Blackout, Vampire's Curse, and Exchange of the Spirit. Oop. Skill... Oh, the whole thing was upside down. Skill Drain, Sky Striker Ace Token, Fool's Return, G-Golem, and Sword Soul of Taya. Oh, didn't know he was in here. BLS, Envoy, Exchange of the Spirit, or Exchange of Despair and Hope, Legendary Ocean, Rye, and Chengying. Oop. Soul Emergence, Kelbeck, Onibimaru, Shiranui, and Witchcrafter. Alright. Last pack of this box. Iris Sword Soul, Blast Held by Destiny, Predaplant, Kagari, and Auspice Chunjun. Alright, last box. Oh good, Blue Eyes Abyss Dragon, definitely needed a copy of that. Non-fusion Area Scapegoat, Exchange of the Spirit. Okay. Appaloosa Bow the Goddess, Aileron, Foolish Return, Nightmare Cerberus, Witchcrafter Creation. Triple Tactics, Agido, Dracoback, Cat Shark, and Mizuki. Alright, last pack. What can we get? Let's see. Lightning Storm, Medora, Sword Soul Assessment, and G-Golem Token. Alright, everyone. That's it for that display. Catch y'all later.